Over-applying sealant by repeatedly adding layers to refill sunken spots can actually undermine the repair and lead to premature failure. When you refill a sunken area, apply sealant only once and shape it so the joint or surface is properly supported before curing. Use a compatible primer on porous substrates and clean all surfaces of old sealant, oils, dust, and moisture with an appropriate cleaner. Adhesion depends on surface preparation more than extra volume. For deep voids, use a backer rod size to compress slightly to control depth and prevent three-sided adhesion, which stresses the compound. Tool the bead with consistent pressure and a concave finish to promote water shedding and consistent stress distribution across the joint. Allow the full cure time recommended by the manufacturer at the site temperature and humidity rather than judging by surface skins. Curing proceeds from the outside in, and trapped uncured material weakens the bond. If a touch-up is needed later, cut back to sound material and re-prepare the interface so the new sealant bonds to cured substrate rather than to uncured layers. Common problems include trapping uncured sealant under new layers, which prevents proper bonding and leads to soft spots and early failure, so remove unsound material and reapply once to a correct depth. Another issue is excessive joint depth without a backer rod, which causes three-sided adhesion and higher stress. So insert a compressible backer rod to set correct geometry before filling. Finally, inconsistent surface preparation allows contamination to remain and causes adhesion loss. So always clean, dry, and prime when recommended, and do not rely on subsequent layers to compensate. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for sealant and repair work and helps contractors find new project leads through our listing and contact features. We also host a discussion community where we share practical tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences with sealant performance and repair techniques.